Firm is developing premium subscription model for a social media platform in the broader initiative. The move aligns with the company's efforts to diversify revenue sources and reduce its dependence on digital advertising. Scientific subscription tier has begun to office in the latest beta release of Android. In this version, users can also find the option to join a waiting list for a premium plan. The service becomes available. On the list are expecting to receive nation early access to the new paid fee. Initial details suggest the premium plan will on personalization and convenience, access to exclusive sticker packs, a team to customize the appearance, and expanded limit on pinned conversation. More than 3 chats to remain fixed at the top of the inbox. The premium subscription plan is expected to offer users a range of exclusive features within WhatsApp. These features discussions are made by WhatsApp beta for points to additional enhancement under include an option to customize the WhatsApp icon and add free experiences channels and exclusive notifications on conversation. Implemented, these tools will offer users control over both the look and feel of the experience. Meta provided a specific timeline for all of the premium subscription on WhatsApp platform. As development continues, the company may also have features set to include in the paid tier before its official launch. Simultaneously, the company continues to test and integrate advanced artificial intelligence into the messaging services, a period for significant evolution of WhatsApp.